Hello and welcome to Fatty Kitchen. Today we are going to see how to make delicious and soft cinnamon rolls. Take some flour, sugar and a pinch of salt, brown sugar, yeast, egg yolk, butter and some milk. Mix them and leave it for 1 hour. Take a dough, press it and roll and make it the shape of a cinnamon. Bake it in oven for 180 degrees for 10 minutes. Look at that. Add some glaze mixture on top. Topping as per your like, you can add caramel, chocolate, butterscotch and nuts. You will enjoy making these yummy, delicious and soft cinnamon rolls at home. Don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe. Bye bye.